here for you, here for you. When the streets feel colder than they should, when your voice feels small against the noise, I've seen the weight you carry without a word. I've watched you keep moving, even tired. You don't have to pretend it's nothing. I know the cost of holding it all in the quiet, I will stand beside you. You won't have to walk alone again. Here for you. You couldn't sleep. We sat on the floor talking in low voices. No answers, just the comfort of someone listening. And somehow that was enough. You don't have to earn my stay. I'm not leaving. You're not alone. Every long road, every uncertain turn, I'll be the constant you can lean on. Here for you. Here for you. Every breath you take, every step you try to make, I'll stay here for you. Here for you. Here for you.
Because of you, I'm standing here today. In the quiet corners of my days, you placed your words like anchors I could trust. I've walked through walls that felt too heavy, but your voice made them lighter in my mind. Little things, the way you listen without turning away, the way you see the parts of me I hide. It's in your calm, your steady ways, you build a place I could return to. Because of you, I learned to see the good. Because of you, I believe I'm still moving forward because of you. I'm still here. In these velvet nights and sacred silence, I'm finding pieces of my soul through the gentle waves of guidance. I'm becoming finally whole. Soft piano in the background, coffee cooling by my side. All the chaos has been drowned out by the peace I feel inside. Amber light across the ceiling, shadows dancing on the wall. Every breath is slowly healing, every prayer I hear the call. When the world stops spinning mad and the rush begins to fade, I can see myself more clearly in the quiet love that's been. In these velvet nights and sacred silence, I'm remembering how to hold through the tender waves of guidance. I'm learning how to cope. Every heartbeat is a prayer now, every breath a brand new start. In the stillness I'm aware of the music in my heart. Let the moonlight be my teacher, let the stars show me the way. In this moment I'm the preacher of a new and brighter day. In these velvet nights and sacred silence, I'm dancing with my dreams through the endless waves of guidance. Not